Welcome to our tutorial on Timbeter Lumber, the leading solution for quick and accurate wood measurement. Today, we'll guide you through the process of using Timbeter Lumber. Let's get started by opening mobile application. First, you will see two options, to make a new measurement and to see all results. Let's proceed with measuring lumber. Hold your device steady, ensuring that all pieces of lumber are within the frame. Stand parallel to the pile and follow angle sensor. If necessary, adjust the light conditions. Press on camera icon to snap a photo. Press on count and save to make a measurement immediately, or you can save image for later. Once the photo is taken, it is time to add your data. Select a storage and measurement type, add plank, and stack size. You can create your own lumber products in Dashboard. In case there are unnecessary planks in background, you can use filter option to adjust area of interest. Simply drag white markers around your stack. Press next to continue. In this step, you can manually adjust detection. To remove unnecessary plank or object, press and hold on it. Same way you can add missing plank, adjust position and size. Click next to view results. And here is your result with a plank count, volume, and all additional information. You can always edit measurement or create new one based on the same photo. All your results are saved in the cloud, so you can access and manage your measurements. If the measurement is successfully synchronized, you will see orange cloud. If not, it will be gray. Make sure you have stable internet connection for synchronization. As well, it is possible directly send results to your colleagues or clients. Select necessary measurements and click send. And now let's move to Timbeter Dashboard. Open a web browser and log in with your email and password. Navigate to Lumber Dashboard. Select storage and you will see all your measurements. By clicking on the photo, you can view and edit measurement if necessary. And now, let's create new lumber product. In the left menu panel, select Timber Management, and then click on Lumber Products and New Lumber Product. Fill necessary fields and press Add Product. Now, when you select product in the application, all your measures will be pre-filled. And that's how you use Timbeter to measure lumber quickly and accurately. With Timbeter Lumber, you can save time, reduce errors, and make data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more information, visit our website or contact our support team.